Today I have REALME V60 Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Starts of opening calendar application. In it we must tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 24th of January, and there this plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event, what you prefer. In this part we can add this event to group about what is it, about our house, work, family or something like that. In this part we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set by switch on it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need it, maybe every month, every year, what you prefer. Then we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of our event, notification to that, and there we can change color about our notification. When we have all we need, we change color, and there we can add a description and attachment. When we have all we need, press save and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.